Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by importing a clean, high-resolution image so pixels match real dimensions. Open Photoshop and create a new file at 300 dpi. Place the scan plan on a locked layer, then draw a scale line, for example, mark 1 meter as 100 pixels, so measurements stay accurate. Once done, turn on rulers and the pixel grid and enable Snap to Guides. These controls keep your lines straight and speed up tracing, which is crucial before you begin drawing vector elements. Now trace the plan precisely. Use the pen tool or rectangle/ellipse shapes to create vector walls with consistent stroke widths, typically 2 to 6 px based on your scale. Make distinct layers for walls, doors and windows, furniture, and annotations. Group and name them clearly so edits are non-destructive. Convert repeated elements into smart objects so you can scale or edit one instance and update all copies. Also apply simple layer styles for fills and strokes to improve legibility while preserving editability. Finish by adding dimensions and labels with the Type tool, choosing font sizes that remain readable at your intended output scale. Hide or remove the original raster plan and fine-tune vector stroke weights, then export as layered PSD for future edits, PDF for sharing, or PNG for quick previews. Use 300 dpi for print and 72 dpi for screen. If elements look misaligned, make sure Snap and rulers are enabled. Reset any accidental layer transforms, and verify the pixel grid and resolution match your initial scale.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.